Welcome to Crochet Little School. We try to work. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and click on the bell so you can get notification when we're ready to go live or when we have a new video rolling out the door. And click on those other things too to make sure that, that YouTube knows that y'all like me so that I can get, a little grocery funding for bringing this fire to the table. Okay, so the prosecutor eliminating the package has been, I don't want to say restructured because I already got a runner because I told him it was getting updated. He decided, well, after I'd done the research on him, and he already was going to scam me anyway, or try. He was going to try, okay? But, it don't matter. That package has been updated, upgraded, but there was nothing wrong with the other package, okay? Just doing some work with my foster kid and beating them people down over there. And anytime that I put together documents for my family, they have to go in the premium package. Okay, I'm sure y'all has to understand. Okay, so let's just do a screen share. Now this, I'm just going to share you guys front page. I know maybe I'll go to the second page. We're not going to show you everything here. This video is going to be for the people who haven't invested in the package yet. And then after you invest in the package, you'll get the other video that shows me going through the entire document, each page of the document. Okay, so here you go, $50 million lawsuit for $1, and you change the red font so you can add or whatever you want to do, or reduce it if you think you need to. For fraudulent concealment, a violation of 42 U.S.C. 1983, due process, violation of the separation clause in the Constitution. $50 million lawsuit, you changed the red font, due process, a violation of the separation clause in the Constitution, and violation of the Foreign Agent Registration Act of 1938, FARA, which is a federal law. So you can see right here, we're bringing this claim under administrative law, equity, and the Uniform Commercial Code. And this claim will address the following violations caused by the government's day-to-day procedures and policies which violate the Constitution and obstruct the administration of justice. Now, this is why I don't need to hear all of the shit that people want to tell me, or whatever. Okay, if you didn't injure anybody or damage their property, then we need to be talking about this. The rules and policies and shit that allow them to obstruct the administration of justice. And basically, in a nutshell, right up here, adding the Supreme Court, because the local court rules that violate your due process come from the Supreme Court. Yeah, it's taking me a long time to put that shit together. With the help of the real-time feedback. Okay, y'all know. Y'all ass know what I'm talking about. So the factual allegations, I don't mind going through them because this is the shit. And then the lawsuit proves this. All right. So the factual allegations, we'll just go through them right there. When the government employee signed in place of judicial officer of the court violated separation law. That generally reflects the police officer signing in the ticket or whatever. Oh, wait. They have other officers screwing people over, like the clerk. The clerk signs shit all day long, and the judge ain't, And that's why whenever I got something hot going on, I teach people, you got something hot going on, and you about to get pushed off the cliff, you make sure that you mail a copy to the judge's chamber, and on it you put judge's chamber in black marker, and make the judges, whoever, whatever, sign for it. That shit.